Hey there, welcome to another video where we tackle a common problem that many Pages users might encounter. Today, we're diving into the world of creating shapes in Pages and running into a little snag along the way. Our problem today involves trying to unite shapes to create a snare drum, but for some reason, it's just not coming together. So, let's roll up our sleeves and work through this issue step by step. Now onto the solution. The key here is to approach the problem from a different angle. Instead of trying to unite all the shapes at once, we're going to take a more strategic approach. What you need to do is subtract the red shapes one by one from the purple shape. By doing this separately, you'll be able to achieve the desired outcome and create that snare drum you've been envisioning. Remember, sometimes it's the small adjustments that make all the difference. In summary, when faced with the problem of not being able to unite shapes in Pages to create a snare drum, the solution lies in subtracting the red shapes one by one from the purple shape. It may take a bit of patience and trial and error, but by following this approach, you'll be able to achieve your goals successfully. I hope this solution has been helpful to you. Now go ahead, give it a try, and watch that snare drum come to life on your screen. And as always, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Remember, creativity is key, even in the world of digital shapes.